Bullish Nexo cost forecasts range somewhere in the range of $3.21 and $6.05 by 2030. Market examiners accept Nexo could reach $2.49 by 2025. Bearish Nexo market cost expectation for 2023 is 56 cents. Nexo presentation. Researchers learned one thing because of the development of digital currencies like Bitcoin, Ethereum, and others. Blockchain innovation won't disappear. With this confirmation in their algorithmic ability, researchers and cryptographers worked vigorously to foster an extraordinary digital money that could hold most extreme incentive at a promising future cost and empower getting cash and making installments in replaceable nearby cash. We should take a gander at the coin synopsis prior to getting into an extensive value expectation of the Nexo cost. What is Nexo? Clients might help credits got by digital currencies through Nexo, a blockchain-based loaning stage. The way that these credits don't need a FICO rating makes them a positive option for clients. The Nexo stage permits clients to store upheld crypto resources and get a prompt credit in excess of 45 distinct government-issued types of money. Credit lines are promptly put aside open after an installment, and there is compelling reason need to do a credit check. Clients approach their credit line consistently utilizing the Nexo card and may pull out cash directly to their ledgers. Nexo stage's establishment is based on two core values. 1. The conditional scale. 2. Making it simpler for applications to flawlessly coordinate. The universe of installments gives off an impression of being going to go through a total change thanks to Nexo, which is likewise a productive speculation decision. The presentation of free virtual cards with no restriction cash trades has been a conspicuous part of Nexo. The principal advantage customers get from utilizing these cards is the capacity to pay with their local monetary standards, which might be utilized for limits. The cost of Nexo has a splendid standpoint for the future since it depends on specialized examination. Given its steady, unwavering quality, the Nexo cost expectation appears to be very hopeful going ahead. Considering our Nexo cost forecast, specialized examination, and market refreshes, it is conceivable that many undertakings will be finished toward the finish of 2022, prompting the greatest cost expectation, making Nexo a more productive venture than government-issued currency in the digital money market. The Nexo value expectation is supposed to rise quickly long-term, as per all suitable cost forecast information. Nexo is as of now worth 71 cents USD. Nexo has moved 0.87% as of now with an exchanging volume of $4,166,478. Nexo is as of now positioned 103 among all digital currencies with a market capitalization of $401,857,006 USD. Using the overall strength record, moving weighted normal, Williams fractal and moving normal intermingling disparity from the outline above, we can decide cost designs for Nexo to conclude whether having a bullish or negative year is going. Our cost expectation figures utilize continuous Nexo market information, and all information is refreshed live on our site. This permits us to give dynamic cost forecasts in view of current market movement. Nexo Value Forecast 2023. Nexo, from certain perspectives, is one of the most astonishing cryptographic forms of money to rise this year. The Nexo cost estimate for 2023 expects a critical expansion in the year's last part, conceivably coming to $1.07. Likewise with other cryptographic forms of money, the ascent will be slow, yet no extensive drops are normal. Averaging 99 cents in cost is very aggressive, yet it is possible soon given expected joint efforts and progressions. Nexo is supposed to have a base worth of 85 cents. Nexo Value Expectation 2024 of every 2024. Nexo cost expectation has a lot of space for development. Because of the likely declarations of various new organizations and drives, we guess that the cost of Nexo will before long outperform $1.78. Be that as it may, we ought to hold back to check whether the Nexo's general strength record emerges from the oversold zone prior to putting down any bullish wagers. Taking into account the market unpredictability, Nexo will exchange with a base exchanging cost of $1.42 and a typical exchanging cost of $1.57. Nexo Value Expectation 2025. On the off chance that the vertical pattern go on until 2025, it could reach $2.49 and Nexo might benefit. On the off chance that the market encounters a downfall, the objective may not be met. Nexo is supposed to exchange at a typical cost of $2.28 and a low of $2.14 in 2025. Nexo Value Expectation 2026. Assuming Nexo effectively helps market feeling among digital currency aficionados, the Nexo coin cost could stay stable for the following 5 years. As per our projections, Nexo will be green in 2026. The Nexo is supposed to reach and outperform its unsurpassed high in 2026. In 2026, the virtual cash will be valued at $3.21, with a base cost of $2.85 and a typical cost of $2.99. Nexo Value Expectation 2027. After some broad determining and specialized examination, we gauge the Nexo cost is supposed to cross a normal value level of $3.70 by 2027, with a base cost of $3.56 anticipated before the year's end. Besides, Nexo has a greatest value worth of $3.92. Nexo Value Forecast 2028. Because representing things to come, organizations that are supposed to occur by 2028, we are expecting that a bullish pattern will keep carrying the typical cost to around $4.42. In the event that Nexo figures out how to break the safe level in 2028, we could see a greatest cost of $4.63. Neglecting to assemble the help Nexo needs by 2028 could bring about a low of $4.27. Nexo Value Expectation 2029. While Nexo is endeavoring towards interoperability between organizations to hurry association, the bullish pattern from the earlier year is supposed to proceed, so the base exchange cost has been put at $4.99 and a yearly cost close above $5.34 in 2029. Nexo Value Forecast 2030. By 2030, Nexo will at long last outperform its past ATH values and record new cost levels. The base cost could be $5.70 and possibly arrive at a most extreme value worth of $6.05, averaging out at $5.84. Nexo Value Expectation 2031. The cryptographic money market is known to be profoundly unstable, which is one of the many justifications for why cost estimating is a troublesome undertaking. Makes an honest effort to conjecture future sticker costs with accuracy, but all expectations ought not be taken as monetary counsel, and you should DYOR. In 2031, we are anticipating that digital currency should have acquired reception across numerous areas. In that capacity, the greatest Nexo cost in 2031 is projected to be $6.98 in case of a bull run, with a typical value level of $6.70. And the cost of the Nexo presently doesn't foresee what it will cost tomorrow. How much, however, is reliant upon the variables that surface during the market's development and improvement stage. These components influence how Nexo will foster from here on out. You could likewise investigate the subject as another option. Token holders could assist you with concluding whether you're a first-time buy in this market. It is trying to foresee a cash's definite worth ahead of time because of the unstable idea of the digital money market. A notable digital money that has so far been fruitful is Nexo. Nexo ventures can be savvy moves. However, you ought to hold off on critical speculations until the market is in a down market. Keep up with consciousness of ongoing business sector changes, so you might pick admirably. Monitor the different costs, supports, and opposition levels. What is the Nexo cost today? Today, Nexo is exchanging at 71 cents with an all-out market capitalization of $401 million.